Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to request stickers on Monopoly Go. To do so, first need to launch a game on your device. Once you've launched a game, go to the album tab, which is on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. And now go to the sticker you want to request from your friends. So as you can see, I need this sticker called Sweet Duets right now. So I'm just going to tap on Sweet Duets first. And there are two options I can request the stickers from. So one is by just clicking on this Facebook group button, which will take you to the official Facebook group for Monopoly Go. So you can just post a request there and maybe someone will be willing to trade with you. Or you can just choose to click on this friends option, like so. And you can choose up to 4 friends to request the sticker from. Once you've chosen the friends, just click on continue and the request will be sent to them. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Sace. Happy gaming!